Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay from Zakka Workshop, the publisher of A Year of Sewing with Nani. Today we're going to take a closer look at some of the designs in the book. First up, we have the cocoon blouse. It features a rounded silhouette and has a longer hemline in the back, so you can wear it tucked in or loose and flowy. This one is a size large and it's made with cotton double gauze fabric. Next we have the bias tank top. This is a great basic. You can layer it with a longer sleeve shirt underneath. It has a pretty bias detailing around the neck and the armholes. This is a size large and it's made with linen fabric. Next we have the cocoon vest. It's a great piece to mix and match and dress up an outfit. It has this pretty armhole opening and one button, so you can add some style through the button here. This sample is 100% linen and it's a size large. Next we have the Freedom tank. It features this cool drawstring waist that you can play with to have it be looser, more gathered. This sample is a one size fits most and it's made with cotton silk fabric. Next up we have the stand collar dress. This is a more flowing silhouette, but it features these pretty pleats at the waistline to give the dress a little shape. This sample is a size large and it's made with linen fabric. Next we have the two-way tunic shirt. This design features a high neck and you could also wear the buttons in the front for more of a Henley style. The fabric is a cotton silk and this is a size medium. And the book also includes a dress version of this silhouette as well. Next up we have the wide leg pants. These pants look like a skirt, but they're really comfortable and easy to wear. They feature some really pretty details, including these pleats along the waistline and then an elasticated back waistband. This sample is a size medium, but has been lengthened by about 3 inches, and the fabric is a cotton silk. Next we have the farmer's pants. This pattern is very similar to the wide leg pants, but it features darts along the bottom hemline to give you a little bit more of a tapered silhouette. This sample is a size medium, but it has also been lengthened a few inches, and the fabric is this beautiful printed linen. These are the wrap front pants, and as you can see they feature this cool pleat in the front for an artistic look. It looks great with a blouse tucked in, and they also have an elastic waistband in the back. They're roomier through the hips and then they taper in at the bottom. This sample is a size large and has also been lengthened a few inches, and the fabric is linen. Next we have the antique skirt, which is a great basic skirt pattern with some pretty details, including gathers at the waistline and these nice plackets along the pockets. This sample is a size medium, but has been lengthened a few inches, and it's made with lyocell, which is similar to a rayon or a viscose fabric. Next we have the cache-core coat, which is French for hide the heart, and it features this pretty wrap front with button closures, and there's a little belt loop if you want to wear it cinched. You can wear it open for a more casual look. This sample is a size medium and it's made with linen fabric. Next is the cook's dress. This is actually shown on the cover of the book. It features a waistband with these pretty pleats and a beautiful high neck collar and pleats and gathers in the back as well. This sample is a size large and it's been lengthened. The patterns are really easy to alter. If you're shorter or taller, you can do that easily. And this is made with a beautiful printed linen fabric. Next we have the short sleeve gathered dress. It features these pretty gathers along the shoulders and ties And the dresses all have pockets, which is a great feature. This sample is a size large and is made with 100% linen fabric. And last but not least, we have the long sleeve gathered dress, which is similar to the dress we just showed, but has sleeves. And the sleeves have these beautiful cuff details with buttons. This sample is a size large and is made with lyocell fabric, which is really soft and has a really nice drape to it. Thanks for watching, and once again, all of these designs are from A Year of Sewing with Nani Arrow. And we also have another book by the same author, the Nani Arrow Sewing Studio. Both books, as well as Nani Arrow fabric, which was used for these samples, can be ordered through Shank. And we hope you love the designs. Thanks again for watching.